Welcome back. If you've ever wanted to add your own handwritten signature to digital documents without printing and scanning paperwork, this tutorial is for you. Today, I'll show you exactly how to create a handwritten signature in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC using simple built-in tools. Follow along and you'll have a professional-looking signature ready to use in just a few minutes. First, let's start by opening Adobe Acrobat Pro DC on your computer. Once the program is open, direct your attention to the See All Tools option. Give it a click and from the list of tools, select Create a PDF. This is an important first step because we want to begin with a blank canvas. After selecting Create a PDF, you'll see an option to choose a blank page. Select this option and then click on Create. This action sets up a fresh blank PDF document which will serve as our workspace for crafting the signature. Now focus your eyes on the top toolbar. Here you'll find the e-sign tool. Click on it and within the resulting menu, you'll need to select Add Signature. It's crucial to note that Adobe Acrobat offers flexibility in how signatures can be added. When prompted, you'll see three choices for adding a signature: Type, Draw, and Image. For this demonstration, we'll aim to replicate an authentic handwritten look, so we'll choose the Draw option. With your mouse in hand, it's time to draw your signature directly onto the canvas. Don't worry if it's not perfect on the first attempt. You can try several times until you're satisfied with the result. Once you're happy with it, click Apply. This saves your drawn signature and prepares it for placement on the document. Next, simply click on your blank document to paste the newly created signature. You'll notice a box around your signature that allows you to resize it. Drag the edges until it looks natural and fits your preference. And that's it. Now you know how to create a handwritten signature in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC and use it in your digital documents. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with others who may need it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.